In this video, I'll show you how to make a 3D text in Blender 3.5. Now let's start. You have to go and just type in Shift+A and click text. Now you just have to click on tab and you can edit the text. Just type in whatever text that you want. So you can hit on tab again to bring back to the object mode. And once it's done, go to the right side and click on this A icon. From the A icon, you can select the geometry. Under geometry, you can go and increase the extrude option. As you can see, as it increases, the text is now getting 3D. Now the next thing that you can do is to go to the bevel, and under the round option you can set it as depth for 1. As you can see, the text has been rounded and on its 3D mode. That's it, guys. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye.